hot here in Denver. I just had a meeting and now I'm gonna make some breakfast. For my London vlog. Tomato soup and a grilled cheese, so. I'm gonna drink this espresso and then go to the gym. Good morning. Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday night. Brittany's alive, everyone. Say hi. He's alive, and we are out to dinner at a barbecue place. Very interesting. I'll definitely post the inside of what it looks like, but deciding what we want right now. How are you feeling?
Better.
He's out and about and talking, so that's a plus. There's a teddy bear doing the splits.
Oh.
Just a lot going on.
Thank you. What are they giving you? Hello?
We just got home. We went to Rita's and I forgot to film. But we got Rita's, what is it? Shave ice? Or no. Italian ice with custard, and it was fantastic. I got cherry and Jordy just got the custard. And now we're taking our leftovers inside and watching our show. It's 8:30 p.m. on Saturday, but I just realized I'm not at 10,000 steps. I'm at about 7,000, and so we need to go to the gym. My goal this year was to hit 10,000 every day. And even though I want to give myself a rest day and I'm so full from dinner, I'm too close. Like I'm already at 7,000, so I might as well get the last 3,000. It's a little bit after 9, but 11,000 steps completed. Dedication. Sometimes you don't have motivation, you just have dedication and discipline. It's possible, even late at night. Good morning and happy Sunday. Daylight savings.
Hallelujah.
Daylight savings happened last night and the clock in the bedroom did not change, Therefore, we're running late to breakfast because we thought it was an hour earlier than it is. I thought it was an hour earlier than it was. So now we are like 40 minutes late to breakfast, but Kaila and Melissa are waiting for us, so change your clocks. That's all I have to say. What did you say?
How ironic is it that you're going to snooze and you snooze for too long?
It was an honest mistake. It was an honest mistake. I swear. Good morning. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
People can't know I'm here.
I was like, who is this? This is my first bowl of today. It's Sunday in Denver. Risky vlog. I was pretty mid. I can do better.
Right.
Pounder's a little much. I need to go down to a 12.
How are we feeling?
It's Sunday in Denver. This could go one of two ways, either gutter or strike. There's no middle. Watch the form. I think the ball was a little light for my taste.
Do you want me to hold it while you bowl?
Yeah. Please watch commercial.
Oh, get it. All right.
Let's go. How are we
What the heck
feeling?
was that? Bad. 0.
It's Sunday here in Denver. It's sunny. The weather is kind of nice, and we're here to bowl. I am not good at bowling, and I've never claimed to be a bowler. Oh, this won't be good. I still don't claim to be a bowler. I will miss that. I will miss that.
Has she done it?
Oh, that was good. That was really good.
I want to strut.
Oh, yes, money.
Sunday stroll back at the gym. I'm at like 5,000 steps. Maybe we'll get them right now, or I might have to come back later. We have dinner plans pretty early, so we'll see how many I get done. So I ended up having enough time to walk for an hour, and I'm at 9,980 steps. So I left because I know I'll reach that by like right now. Anyway, time to go collect Jordy and head upstairs for dinner.
From scratch.
OMG, we forgot about the cheese.
Did you all make this?
Like, obviously.
The presentation.
Thank you. This shit better be worth it, man.
$20 and you just
Buzzkill.
Alright guys, it's Sunday night. The weekend is officially over, so I'm gonna pack lunch and breakfast for work tomorrow. I'm gonna make a chia seed pudding. What? It's been such a fun weekend. I'm excited for the week ahead, and yeah, we'll see you this week.